Nina. Grabe. So, simulan natin. Si Rain, parang daming Rain, how are you feeling right now? I can feel so much emotion from you. You were great, but what are you feeling right now?
Host ka pala.
Hindi ako informed. Host din ako today.
Idolos yan.
Oh my God. Sabi ko kanina, I'm so emotional. Feeling ko kasi wow. Ang hirap naman ito! Ang tagal-tagal po kasing namin hinintay. Lalo na ako. And it just means a lot. Now, we're almost done.
Wala daw.
It's so hard talaga, you know. Pero ayun, I am emotional kasi yung last scene namin, I remember na it was like 3 or 4 a.m. Tapos, we did it a couple of times kasi maraming angles. So I remember lang na ang dami kong papasok sa isip ko, pero I wanted to like make a mark talaga. And I saw myself earlier, wala na lang ako masabi. So ayun, maybe we should go to somebody else first. I'm a wreck right now, pero I'm just really happy na I got to see myself do one of my most pangarap na scene na umiiyak na may confrontation. And I remember nung nakuha namin yung role, super dami naming expectations, but grabe, Direk really exceeded it all.
Yeah.
All. I hope you know the message. This isn't, I just want to say, this isn't a BL, it's a series na sobrang daming tinatakal na issues. Pagpasok pa lang ni Diamond sa story pa lang namin ni Jared, yung love namin lahat para sa isa't isa. So I hope na you guys get the message na kanina pa, pero
sorry.
ayun,
SNR.
oh my goodness! Napanood yung parents ko!
Ang dami.
The best part yan, the best part.
Pero we hope you love it. We hope na that you want to see more of us. We're so prepared to do much more than that. And I hope the story goes beyond the screens and that you guys learn so much and you act accordingly. So ayun, amen. Thank you so much.
Amen. Pero grabe, you did really leave a mark. You were able. Ang galing.
Thank you.
So from one person who did a confrontation to another, let's hear it naman. Ano naman ang pakiramdam mo ngayon? Sean, and then...
Ako, I'm still overwhelmed. Pero, like my cuz, pinaprocess ko pa kasi siya yung episode na yun. And I'm just really I'm proud of you. I'm so proud of you. And I'm so proud of you also. I'm proud of everyone dito. Sobrang ganda ng show natin. We're down to our last episode next week. And I hope i-support niyo yung show namin. And I hope nagustuhan nyo. And we hope you love it as much as we love this show.
Emilio, ikaw.
Wow. Wow talaga. That's the product of the whole cast, the whole team's hard work talaga. Itong past 7 episodes namin, this is really the culmination of everything na ginawa namin. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nagsusuporta sa amin. Sinasabi namin palagi sa lahat ng mga interviews na we did our best and I'm just so proud of all of us here. Salamat sa suporta sa amin and sana nagustuhan nyo kasi I think that's the best that we've done so far and the best is yet to come because there's one more episode. So, sana panoorin nyo po.
Yeah. And speaking, Emilio, ang daming nagsasabi, sa bitin daw, 8 Fs lang. So, ang daming nag-request na Season 2. Ang daming
Yes!
Season 2.
Kung gusto nyo po ng Season 2, press 1!
Subscribe on I1!
Yes!
Please subscribe sa I1.
Go, Ray.
Hindi ko nagugustuhan nanonood kayo sa...
Marami ng-press 1.
Marami yung nag-screen record. Mali yan. Manood kayo sa I1, okay?
Yeah,
Subscribe kayo sa I
basic
Want
plan is just
Eat.
35 pesos.
Kasi honestly, guys, like, legit to, hindi magkakaroon ng season 2 kung hindi kayo manood.
Yes.
So, maraming salamat talaga sa supporting niyo. Thank you for, always supporting us, always editing. Nakita ng buong cast, ang lahat na ma-edit siya talaga. So, maraming salamat talaga.
all of those.
We love them talaga. Kaya please, sana spread niyo yung word. This is not just a series, this is a call to action talaga. This is a message to everyone talaga. So, sana nagustuhan niyo yung message na to. I think it's very timely. So, yeah.
And na-receive nila yung message, nag-press one sila. Jude, ang dami nag-press one sa atin. Jude, ikaw naman, what are your thoughts, emotions, negative reactions, suggestion? Anong pakiramdam mo after watching episode 7?
Wow, thank you for that wonderful question. For me, the wow factor is such a 100%. No, such a 110%. Grabe, sobrang nakaka-proud lang po na mapanood yung episode 7, si Rain. Lahat ng mga kinikwento mo. Grabe guys. I love you!
I love you!
Si Rogelio, Sean, grabe, sobrang nakaka-proud kayo na makita kanina. At sa mga nanood kasama namin, you guys, you are the best. And I love you. Wala akong masabi.
Grabe, pero ito, paikot natin. Si Dylan. Pero wait, before we go there, nakikita niyo wala si from one D to another D, si Diamond wala dito. Shout out to Diamond.
Yeah.
And River!
Si Diamond ay
And
si Mickey. And Nick wala din here, but si Diamond, grabe din yung eksena kanina. So talagang representation matters. Talaga yung napakaganda ng pag-represent niya sa trans community. And napaka-powerful yung message kanina na ang ganda lang ni Lance. Pero ikaw, ano masasabi ko?
Parang nasabi na kasi nila lahat na pwede sabihin. Pero sa ko na lang, sa own POV ko, na-overwhelm ako sa, habang nanonood pa lang kami. Grabe na yung reactions namin. Kasi, syempre, nasa set kami na imagine namin, yung tipong, nakikita pa lang namin yung lugar, alam na namin yung amoy.
Yes!
Oh, di ba may ganon, bro?
Sobrang bango.
Flower.
Shoutout direct! Imagine mo na.
Explain mo, di ko bakit.
Kaya nga.
Hindi kasi, doon sa scene namin sa Athletes Night, sobrang bango kasi doon. Grabe. Kaya, alam mo yung pagka kasi may tape kami, tapos biglang,
Nahangin.
biglang hangin yan, tama. Alam nila yan kasi nandun sila, nagpo-promo. Umahangin, grabe yung amoy.
Kahit nasa loob na.
Oo, grabe. Naglagay kami ng parang, di ko alam yung tawag doon sa ilo.
Parang mainit.
Parang ma-inhaler, tapos
Essential oils.
Pinahid dito para lumaban.
Tapos naghalo na yung amoy ng essential oil.
Oo nga. Pero yun, remembering na lahat ng ginawa namin yun, grabe yung hard work. Tsaka grabe din yung sa sacrifice and delve ng bawat isa sa characters nila kasi malalalim yung pag-ugot namin dito eh. And ayun, sana kayong mga nanonood nakakuha kayo ng strength sa bawat characters na kung kanino kayo nakaka-relate. And sabi niyo season 2, di ba?
Season 2?
Yes.
Subscribe now on I Want.
No other web. No browser.
Ito, merong rare Pokemon din tayo kasama kayo. Si Reyna at saka si
Rare
Bunso. Kasi ngayon na kayo nagpapakita eh.
Oh!
Ay, shit. Atake.
Do you watch the latest episode? What's the question?
So how do you feel
Grabe.
after watching episode 7?
Kanina, when I was watching it, grabe yung goosebumps ko, bro. Ang tagal mawawala kasi ang gagaling ng people in the world. And like, nakaka-proud ko talaga kasi I know everyone's hard work para sa show na to. And seeing it, na parang ang ganda pagkalabas, kinalabasan, Parang, yes!
Kinalabasan.
Kinalabasan.
Yes.
Ang ganda kinalabasan. So, like, nakaka-proud sila. Good job, guys. Good job, everyone. And yes,
Yeah.
like, also what you didn't mention the smell. I wanted to add that.
Yes,
It
yes.
was really fun kasi
Elaborate mo, ano ba yung amoy? If you can describe it with words, ano yung naaamoy mo doon?
dangerous. No joke kami like, this is the set. Tapos nandito yung dressing room. We have to go out to go to the dressing room. And bro, it stinks outside. So, I mean, it smells nice. So I did, I'm like, Adi, let's get water. Let's go together. And then we go, okay, 1, 2, 3. So, ayun. Tama na! So, like, in short, it was a very memorable episode. And I'm so happy to see it. And yes, I loved everyone. Good job.
Andy!
Yeah, Andy, ikaw.
Me,
About the
I
one.
was like,
I'll be
kasi.
serious.
Wow.
Well, pero I really love this episode. Bilang pinakamahabang linya.
Kaya sa naman, you were great allies talaga kanina.
Ano yung line mo doon?
Sobrang you were great allies, the two of you.
No, but I love that scene. I mean,
Sobrang
I love this whole
powerful.
episode
Yeah.
kasi that was sa screen yung buong puso na binigay natin lahat for this episode. Like, yung pagka-defend kay Diamond, yung pagka-amin nila Uno and Farah, then conflict with Gareth. Ay, tama. Basta ang dami nangyayari. So parang, grabe. I don't know what to feel, but I'm so proud. I'm super duper proud. And yun nga, an episode you can smell.
An episode that you can
Yeah.
smell. That's right. Okay, si Jinsoy kanina. Nakita, kamusta naman yung
Inuman yun.
yung barbecue, yung isaw.
Actually, nagulat ako.
Paano?
Hindi, actually nagulat ako kasi sobrang gagaling yung lahat, guys, to be honest. Actually, nanonood ako kasi napapaganon ako. Shucks, grabe. Ang galing nila. Lalo na si Shang umiiyak. Wow, I'm so proud of you.
Sobra.
Yeah. And syempre, di ba gusto natin magka-season 2? Syempre, dapat sa season 2, kung may season 2 na. Sumama kayo sa bahay ni Uno.
Yes.
Ako magiging gunner niyo.
Yeah.
Ano yun? Ako magiging gunner niyo.
Ano yung gana?
Ako magpapikot ng baso.
Ay. So, ayun lang. And,
Siguro,
gone. As in, umalis.
ano ba?
Spell gunner.
Basta guys, samahan niyo kami. Ano to?
Spell gunner.
Si Bong naman, si Bong. May lapel ka?
May boses ha, may boses.
Lapit mo sa bibig.
May boses please.
What's the question?
No? Ay!
Nagsasalita pala si Han.
Wala, ba't nag-holding ako?
Episode 7. In fairness, mas nagigilid ko na yung cellphone doon.
Yes.
Yes.
Hindi, pero di ba kasi palakas ng palakas?
Where are you? Hindi nyo
The
glass yun.
I'm still overwhelmed kasi meron siya tayo dito. We're still processing.
Ay, bakit gano'n? Bakit gano'n yung tinginan?
Ay, ganun yung tinginan. Okay, kanina meron mga nang amok. Representative ng
Ng away.
Away.
My God, Lucien knows that word. You don't know? Hindi. Representative ng basketball team kanina.
Sa inyo panoorin. Kasi sa inyo panoorin. Pero just one word for
Kami
this
pala
episode. No, just one word for this episode. Purple. Very, very nice.
Purple.
Purple.
Yeah.
Purple.
Yeah. And like, parang nakita ko yung, ayun nga sabi ni Emilio, is the combination of this what's been leading up to mula episodes 1 to 6. Dito na sumabog lahat. This is where we got the red card. And then,
The red flag.
talagang, it's powerful eh. Kasi ang daming scenes, talagang nakakabusog yung lahat ng emotions natin sa episode na to. So, you know, it just gets you thinking, what's gonna happen next? Diba? How is this gonna end? Magkakaayos mo si Jericho at si Farah.
Maririnig po natin si Hans.
Grabe.
Find out next episode.
Grabe yun.
Sa universe naman, yung universe. That's what were your emotions?
So, like everybody else, talagang overwhelmed. Kasi even though nabasa ko talaga yung script from the 1 to 8, gusto niyo spoil ko? Hindi, nakakashock pa rin siyang panahon to come to fruition. Tapos, fruition! Fruition! Tulad yan. Pero sana nagustuhan nyo rin. Pasabog talaga tong episode na to. And guys, talaga no piracy Please, watch on I1. So talagang magkatotoo yung season.
Yes!
Press 2 nga for season 2.
Uy! Okay, balik tayo tayo
Takot na takot sa kamay.
Balik tayo kay naka-process na siya ulit.
Yes, naka-process na ako ulit. No, nakaisip na rin ako. No, watching kanina, syempre naapektuhan din ako kay Diamond. I hope that this series opens up your eyes talaga and your heart. Kasi there's always a discourse with every action they do So, we hope na you can end the discourse for more choices, or you can also hear the story and hear their. Sorry, nawawala talaga ako. Hindi pa rin makakapag-process.
Midway process ka na to. Midway process.
No, ayun. I really hope that you guys learn something. And, ayun, so ngayon ako na yung host. So, how about you, Lucien? How did you feel that you already tried the color analysis on Jared before the prom? Athletes night.
Okay, thank you so much for that. Okay. Ano?
Tumatakas talaga siya. Kaya binalik niya sa'yo, tumatakas siya.
So how did you feel after the color analysis? Kasi I did see the teary eye in that scene. So, explain the context and explain how you felt.
Ba't ganun yung reaction ni Lucien?
Yes!
Bakit ganon? Ano yun? Kasi ang sakit sa mata ng color ng blue.
Wow!
Hindi nga, ano nga yun?
Ang bola yata ng somebody!
Hanggang ngayon, ganyan yung reaction ni Sean when we did that scene. I remember kasi, so, ginagawa namin yung eksena na yun, tapos bigla may sinabi ako online, I know the feeling when someone doesn't like you back. And then pagka-cut namin sa isang angle, lumapit siya sa akin. Sino sinasabi mo doon? Nilapitan ako. Sino sinasabi mo doon? Tapos sabi ko, ikaw.
Hindi ko talaga alam. Marami sila na nakakaalam na hindi ko alam.
Well, sila na lang iintindi kung ano ba yung emotion na
Yes,
yun.
tama.
Ha? Ano yun?
Hindi kasi kanina we were watching and we were also guluhan like, sino ba talaga si Jared or si Ethan?
Eh di kayo pahala.
Si Hans.
Kayo mag-decide.
Si Hans.
Press 3.
Hindi. I-reveal kasi yan. Ayun nga, i-reveal yan sa season 3.
Kayo na, gusto ko yung gulat din sila kasi walang, pero kayo na pong bahala umintindi kung kanino ba yun. I think para yun kay
We should read comments.
Okay, wait, no, we have to give a spotlight to Kidlat.
Storm!
We have to hear your...
Ang dami nag-request na Storm.
Ready?
Kayo naman, para kayong mga sira.
Kuwari ka sa Musgow.
Hey guys, ako pala si Kidlat, aka Storm! Mistress of the elements.
Wait, hindi ko na mabasa yung comments niyo. I'm sure it's flooding though.
Ano ka ba ito?
Season 2 daw, season 2.
Wait lang, tingnan natin.
Kasi hindi kayo nagsasubscribe sa iWatch, di ba? Nakikita ko nga sa mga comments nyo, yung mga
Sa
browser.
manonood na libre, sabi nila.
Pero,
sa comments, diba?
shout out, we want to give a precious shout out kay Direk Ivan Payawan.
Ay, oh.
Na dapat kasama sana namin
Ate Jen
And Miss
Mauricio.
Jen!
Ate Jen
Grabe!
Mauricio, grabe
We
ka.
love you po!
Salamat sa lahat po sa staff and crew ng Love at First Bite. Kami rin nagugulat sa nagiging byproduct per episode and we're just really looking forward per episode kung anong mangyayari, kung paano matatahila to. So maraming salamat po.
Yung intrusive thoughts.
Lumalabas, lumalabas.
Meron daw comment ng Rain D. Sana magpakilig dyan.
Tinginan, titigan.
Yeah! Season 2!
Season 2! Season 2! Ano na?
Anong comments? Basahin nga yung comment.
Basahin natin yung comment.
Wait.
Keep sharing the live stream!
Ito may nababasa akong comment eh. Actually, nababasa ko yung comment ni Kuya Norman, no? Inaaya nga naman ako ni Kuya Norman. Mamaya, nagtatrabaho ko mamaya si Ray. Kuya Norman, nagtatrabaho ko man ako dito. Mamaya ka naman. Ayan,
Binsoy, ano yan? Anong accent or dialect?
Ilonggo.
Ilonggo.
Ilonggo talaga yung bigay no.
Wait lang.
Best
Ano,
actress
invite mo
grade.
sila in Ilonggo na accent. O
Yung binigay nun.
Nanonood si Kuya.
Binigay nun.
Kuya Ash is watching.
Kuya Ash! Hello, that's mo, Kuya Ash!
One of our writers.
Yes.
So,
Nagsusulat na daw. Susulat na.
Kuya Ash magsalat.
Ililonggo.
We have 1.2k viewers.
Oh! Hello guys! Hello sa aton yung 1.2 viewers. I hope na na-enjoy ka mo. And thank you for sending your love and gifts. And thank you so much sa mga nagalantaw sang Love at First Spike sa I Want. Don't forget to subscribe guys sa I Want guys. And I'm sure na may enjoy ninyo ang aton nga episode 7 this night. Ngayong gabi. And I'm very happy that you're happy. At your heart, clap your hands.
Okay, wait lang.
Okay, go.
May tanong ako.
Yes.
Kidlat, sino ba si Charmaine? Sino si Charmaine?
Charmaine?
Yung teddy bear niya.
Si Charmaine ay
Yung di nilabahan.
yung teddy bear na hindi nilabhan.
From
Siya ay
18 to 20 years old.
hinugot ko lang sa aking konsensya. So, malay nyo, season 2. Kung magkaroon ng season 2, baka makilala nyo si Charmaine.
Ang story
Ex
kasi...
mo pala.
Ay,
Ex mo.
Charmaine.
Ma'am, hindi. Parang hindi yun.
For context, di ba? Binilungan kasi siya ni Derek.
Yes. So, yung shooting day na yun, yun yung araw na sobrang hirap kaming ituloy ang eksena. Kasi si Derek, ang process ni Derek, meron siyang ipupull sa pool.
Tighten your pool.
Meron siya ipupull sa amin, tapos bubulungan niya ng something just to keep the... Wow, bakit ako nag-i-English? Sino to?
Yes.
Para makip lang na fresh yung eksena.
Yes.
Tapos, nung eksena na yun, ako yung taya. Sabi niya, nag-uusap si Jared at si Ethan. Guluhin mo. So, yun yung lumabas. Hence, the birth of Charmaine.
Yes! Hands!
Wait lang, dagdag ako dyan. Kasi, di ba wala sa script yan, syempre. Sobrang aral ko yung script eh. So, sobrang unexpected nung eksena yun sa kwarto. Tapos, bigla siya nagsalita ng Charmaine. Tapos, ako, kumbaga, ito yung cam, di ba? Nakaharap kay Sean. Nag-cut kami kasi tawa siya ng tawa. Kawawa din ako kasi si Sky nandito na kay nanginginig. Tapos si Bong, sabi,
si Bong, di ba? Magkatabi kami ni Bong. Tapos, ako, kinakabahan ako nun kasi baka mapagalitan tayo ni Derek. Pero si Bong, every time, okay, action. Si Bong nakagano, no? So ako, tumutulay sa akin yung gano'n niya. Tapos nararamdaman ko din sina Lance sa bed. Gumaganon-ganon din sila. So hindi naman maseryoso yung
kasi. Nasama sa cut yung tawa ko nakita. Kasi wala na doon. Sabi sa akin na direct, napansin na lang nung nandun na. Kasi di ba naka-wide shot sa kanila. Pero okay lang, gising lang naman talaga ako.
Also, habang nangyayari yun, kaming dalawa, nanonood lang talaga sa monitor. Kaya grabe yung tawa namin. Hindi lang yun yung sinabi mo. May sinabi pa siya ibang take. Anong ulam?
Yung pa yung mahirap Kasi bawat take, iba-iba yung sinasabi. So, hindi kami nakakapaghanda. Yung mahirap. Grabe yun.
Okay. So, meron na tayong naging 7 episodes na napanood. We have...
inuman.
So, okay lang. Hindi, we have watched 7 episodes already.
Guys, wala ako nun.
Sa lahat ng mga napanood, ano yung most memorable scenes or moments or dahil na-shoot on top of your head, ano yung most memorable sa inyo? Lalo na yung pag ganun mo, Jude. Ikaw.
Out of all the episodes?
Yeah.
Episode ba?
Oh, okay.
Kahit nasa 8 na?
O sige. Hindi. Wag mo na 8. Mas spoil.
Okay.
Sige, unahin ko na.
Except.
No spoiler.
Yes.
Okay, go.
Ako din nasa 8 yung...
Sige, unahin ko na. From episode 7, kasi I too am in this episode. So yung most memorable moment ko, wala talagang tatalo dun sa amoy nung yung venue ng Athletes Night Actually, na-imagine ko pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. That's how memorable that moment is talaga. So yeah, for me, it's Athletes Night. Kayo ba?
Should we just go? Okay. Para sa akin, episode 6, yung magkakwit si Lucien ng volleyball team. Kasi even though as a froshy, no line siya, pero natest yung pag-acting ko rin, yung craft ko kasi mabigat mabigat na eksena. If you've seen it, super bigat siya. And I remember shooting that, and in that moment, naramdaman ko na, oh my God, I'm exactly where I want to be. And I'm so blessed and grateful to be around super talented na mga actors talaga, artist, I swear. Doon talaga ako na, like, if this is this is destiny na nakasama ko sila, ito yung first teleserye ko. So super grateful. Yun yung favorite memorable moment ko.
Nice one, Universe to that.
Ikaw, Dylan.
Ako, pinangarap ko talagang magkaroon ng mga away scene, confrontation, ganyan. So sa 7, yun talaga yung the best para sa akin, pare. No?
Grabe, ang sakit ng
Ila.
pag-awat namin doon.
Oo.
Pati kami.
Naka-heels ako noon, tapos tinulak-tulak kami. As in, yung pa ako talaga.
Hindi, tsaka tagal namin pinag-usapan ni Emilian nung pa lang, nagtitraining pa lang kami ng volleyball.
Ganda na tayo. Winworkshop pa natin yun.
Winworkshop pa namin yun, and lagi, kapag naka-break kami, yung scene na yun yung pinag-uusapan namin. Talagang excited ako doon.
Grabe.
Kayo? Favorite scene?
Reyna.
My most memorable, I would say, where was the retreat na? There, I really liked it kasi, like, like, besides the, like, on-set thingy, memorable stuff, nung yung like, while waiting sa set, we were just playing random games kasi it was like no signal. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. Walang... Yeah. Oh yeah, it was so fun kasi parang no signal. So parang we were forced to talk to him. No, we weren't forced naman. But we were forced to think about like creative stuff. So we were playing games kahit wala namang kaming mapaglalaroan. Yes. Mga many stuff like that. It was all so nakakatawa. Feeling ko nag-a-abs ako that night. Yun. That's mine. How about you?
Abinsoy.
Oh, ikaw.
For me,
may sariling live daw si Winston.
Meron ba? Okay, yung sa akin.
Go Andy.
Yung Athletes Night. Wow, memorable kasi yung amoy. Like, seryoso, grabe. Hindi ko makakalimutan yung amoy na yun. And, ang saya kasi sabay-sabay natin na experience yun.
Sabay-sabay natin na amoy.
It's one of the few scenes out of the whole series na nagkaka-interact kaming girls volleyball team and boys volleyball team. Yung scene na nandun kami sa registration and stuff, like, bihira lang kasi yung scenes namin na magkakasama at nag-uusap. So, that's why isa sa mga memorable scenes yan for me. Let's go.
Actually, para sa akin, kulang yung buong live natin ngayon para i-share yung pinaka-memorable ko na moment.
Okay, Bong. Hindi mo na pinag-share.
Wag naman! Actually, for me, para sa akin, yung pinaka-memorable talaga is yung kumakain kami nila Emilio sa lamesa. Yung kumakain kami ng isaw. Kasi, hindi lang isang isaw, dalawang isaw, tatlong isaw. Parang puputok na ata yung bato ko kakain dun. Oo, sobrang as in. Kasi ilang angles yun eh, di ba? Oo. Pero masarap eh, kaya binanatan ko na ng binanatan. And then si Kuya Norman kasi nakakatawa talaga siya. Kahit di pa nagtitake si Direk, kaming dalawa ni Kuya Norman, nag-iisip na kami, eto Kuya, dadaling ko yun dun. Tapos, ano yun?
Hindi niya makuha.
Okay, tayo lang yun.
Tapos ayun, pagkatapos nun, papasa ko na kay Bong.
Okay, sige. Si Bong.
Favorite?
Yes.
Na-mention na kasi lahat. Pero sige, pipili.
Pero syempre, what's yours?
Mga volleyball games na lang. Kasi alam naman natin na pinaghirapan natin lahat yon. We all trained. And to see it, watching it, ayun, lumabas lahat ng mga paghihirap natin. And ang ganda ng kinalabasan ng mga volleyball games. At may game pa sa episode 8.
Yes.
Go.
Ay, ako na.
Sina Coach Dex.
Shoutout po sa mga coaches ng Love at First Bite. Coach Dex Clamor. Kuya Alfred Valbuena. Kay Coach Peter Torres. Tsaka isang coach natin. Si Coach. Basta.
Lagot ka. Ikaw pa nakakalimutan.
Si Coach Dylan Iturralde.
No problem pare.
Mga volleyball scenes.
Wait, may sasabihin pa si Kidlat.
Malaking tulong lang si Coach Dylan din. So maraming salamat sa'yo, bro. Tinulungan. Guys, sa lahat ng mga volleyball games, sobrang laking tulong ni Dylan. Sinusupport niya kami lahat. Siyempre, may UAAP experience siya. So, grabe talaga. Promise, sobrang galing ni Dylan.
Consultant din siya, no?
Diba? Yun. Si Kidlat naman.
Yes, Jude.
The best. Ako pinaka-favorite ko so far is episode 4. Kasi yun yung episode kung saan na-feature yung song ni Hinumdum. Ewan ko
Sample!
Wag nga kayo!
Chorus lang.
Go, ito na. Nasa
3, 2, 1, go.
Baka paglipas ng 10 taon, magkita muli tayo sa UP Diliman o sa kung saan mang ibayo. Ngingiti sa isa't isa dahil wala nang sakit. Tatawanan ng mga stream nyo na lang. Stream Kwarto on Spotify. Yes.
Ulit, Kwarto, stream nyo.
Yes, stream
Follow,
Kwarto.
please.
Wait, di pa sumasagot
On
si
Spotify.
Sumagot na ako.
Sumagot ka ba?
Oo.
Ikaw.
Isuntukan na yung away
Ako nga
namin.
pala.
Ikaw, Lucien.
Ako, ano ba?
Wow.
It's so simple.
Sorry, contestant number 3.
I don't want to ruin my hair.
Actually, ang dami. Pero yeah, siguro highlight yun. Yes. Sige. Okay. Highlight yung episode 6, yung nag-quit si Lucien. So, that was one of the most heartfelt and heartwarming scenes na tinake namin. And everyone was just so emotional and very giving nung mga times na yun. So, ayun. Ano naman, ito, pumunta tayo kay Sean, kay Rain, at saka kay Emilio.
Okay.
Kasi I remember, Sean, we were together sa dressing room.
Yes.
Kasi wala pa tayo. May
yes, if you watch episode 7, sabay si Lucien and Jared pumunta
Yes.
sa...
So, wala kami dun sa labas nung mag-register sila.
Yeah.
So, I remember you weren't supposed to see Rain.
Yes, quick trivia,
At
fun
that time,
fact.
right?
Hindi pinagbawalan kami nila direct na magkita-kita.
Yes.
Especially si Rain, si Shang. Di namin siya pwede makita, nakatago lang siya sa dressing room niya. Can you share something about that?
Ano?
Ayun yung sinabi.
No, I remember na Direk, when I saw Direk for the first time that day, sabi niya, you did not see Emilio, didn't you? Galit siya! Kasi ayaw niya talaga magkita kami, tas ayaw niya magkita kami ni Sean. Bawal talaga. So the whole time, I was with the girls. Pero kahit yung mga girls and sila at Diamond, wala sila sa dressing room ko. So talagang mag-isa ako for like 5-6 hours. I'm not doing anything. Tapos kinakabahan talaga ako. Tapos nung ready na akong lumabas, para talaga akong ikakasal or something. Kasi talagang siya lang ang naka-white In fairness kay Farah, sabi nila all black. Pero siya nag-white talaga. Eksena siya. Pero anyways, ayun, we couldn't see each other. Para kapag nagkita kaming dalawa ni Emilio at pag nagkita kami ni Sean, there's going to be the raw reaction. So what you saw kanina, yun yung talagang raw na tinginan namin that time. Ayun.
Grabe yun.
Oo, grabe talaga yun. I mean, it was, syempre, this is one of my first series then as an actor and grabe talaga yung magic ni Direk Ivan at ng buong prod. Sina Ate Jen, grabe talaga. Napaka-effective. I mean, kung makita nyo, panoorin nyo yung episode 7, makita nyo talaga yung pagkatulala namin lahat nung pumasok si Farah. Especially ako. Pero, ayun, parang grabe talaga yung effect nun. And I think it's just, a small product of the amount of effort that is put into the show, the little details na ginagawa ng buong prod, ng buong cast, para ibigay talaga yung best. So,
yes, kasi Direk Ivan is so he's so intentional.
Oo.
Very intentional with everything he does.
Lahat ng shots may meaning. Kung makita nyo talaga guys, yung cinematography natin, shout out kay Direk Cheska Lee.
Lights and colors.
Grabe talaga.
Color grading.
Ginawa niyang sobrang maganda at pogi kami lahat. So, maraming salamat sa'yo, Direk Chessy. You are amazing.
Yes,
and
we love
you
you po.
Sa lahat ng cam-ops namin, sa lahat ng prod talaga, maraming salamat. Grabe, ang ganda ng show na ginawa niya po. So, ayun, maraming salamat lang po.
Also, I just wanna say shout out to Ate Marga kasi sobrang hirap ng mga ginagawa namin. I mean, for every shot that you see na iba, kailangan maalala namin lahat ng actions. So, nasanay na rin ako sa ganon. Na
Direk Miko.
Direk Miko.
Direk Betchay din.
Direk Betchay.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you all so much.
Yun. Okay, before we end the live, we have said thank you to lots of people. Pero I wanna know what best describes, in one word, episode 7 para mas ma-entice yung mga di pa nakakanood na episode 7. What's that one word?
Lahat tayo.
Yes, everyone.
Oo muna, baka
makuha yung
baka makuha pa yung word ko eh.
Baka makuha yung word niya. Nag-dips na si
Bitin.
Okay. Bitin.
Ba't ganun yung ikot?
Ikaw, si Sean.
Shocking.
Passionate.
Naka-25!
Add to cart, like the first five.
Naka-25,000 new subscribers na po tayo sa iWant!
Guys, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat lang po sa lahat ng nanonood ng Love at First Spike. Sana patuloy-tuloy po yung supporta niyo dito sa amin sa pagpo-post on Twitter, on TikTok, Facebook, lahat po talaga. Sana i-stream nyo legally ang Love at First Spike sa iWant. Please, sana po. Ayun lang po. Maraming salamat. Ikaw siya.
Ay,
plug mo.
Okay. Yes, I hope you guys watch Love at First Spike. We're down to our last episode. Next week, we hope you like it. We hope you love it. We hope you share it to everyone, to your friends, to your family. Kasi we really need to share this series. Maraming sila matututunan dito. And yes, I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Oh, yes, please do watch Love at First Spike 8 p.m. every Friday. Pero last week na ang next week. So please do show your love. Subscribe on iWant. Pay. It's less than 200 kapag full and less than 100 kapag monthly, I believe. Tama po ba?
35 and 119.
35 and 119. So please, nakakapag-load kayo, kaya nyo rin yan. So, yes, please. We love you. Yes, we love you guys. I hope that you felt everybody here and we love you. Bye! Au revoir, mes amis!
Thank you so much, everyone!
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Bye-bye!
Love you, Love Squad.